What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. You know, all of that good stuff that I say. It just gets so repetitive saying the same thing over and over and over and over again. But anyway, welcome back. But today's video, I thought I would film what I wear in a week in quarantine realistically, because when you see people on social media, a lot of times they're like wearing a cute outfit every single day and you're just like, I'm literally only wearing athletic shorts and a t-shirt or sweatpants and a hoodie or something like that. And you're like, this is not realistic at all. Well, here's what I realistically wear in a week. Then this week happens to be a week in quarantine, so it's even more realistic than normal because I don't actually have to leave the house. But you get it. Let's get on with the video. So here is Thursday's outfit. This is kind of like boring. It looks like something you probably like, I don't know, wear to the gym or something, but doesn't matter. We're not leaving the house. We're not trying to impress anybody, so doesn't matter. But let's see. These are socks that were a gift, so no idea where they're from. Then these shorts are Lululemon. I don't wear them out of the house because they're way too short, and I got them in like 7th grade, 6th grade, so they're kind of old and they're kind of falling apart. Then this shirt is from Thread for Thoughts. I got this for a haul that I made a couple of weeks ago, and this shirt is really comfortable. It has these little hand things too, which is really nice. The thumb holes. That's it. Very realistic. So here is Friday's outfit. Honestly, I'm having trouble keeping track of the days because it takes me a second to figure out what day it is. But it's Friday. Today's outfit, just for being comfortable. So I have this oversized hoodie from Brandy Melville. This is cool because it has like a, if it's gonna focus, it has like, oh, I should clean the mirror off, but it has like this sweatshirt thing on top of this navy hood. And then I have these leggings from Athleta. These are high-waisted. I really like these leggings because the waist hits like right in the right spot where my natural waist is, and these also have pockets too, which is very nice. And when you put like a phone in the pockets, the pants like don't fall down, which is good. And we're not wearing socks today because ain't nobody got time for that. So here is Saturday's outfit, you know, just another comfortable outfit with leggings and a t-shirt type thing. Today I'm wearing this turtleneck thing that's kind of more of like a mock neck from Brandy Melville. This is really comfortable. Sleeves are a little bit long, but that's okay. Then I have these leggings from Athleta. These ones I got like 70% off, which is really good. They have this like cool little cutout thing here. And then I just have these plain socks that I've probably had for like 6 years. But yeah. Today's outfit. On Sunday's episode of Wearing Boring Outfits, today we have a sweatshirt and shorts and no socks. Isn't that wonderful? No shoes, no jewelry, no nothing. Literally the bare minimum. But this sweatshirt is really comfortable though. It's from the American Eagle Airy section of the store. And then I just have these Nike Dry Fit shorts from Nike probably. Or maybe like Dick's Sporting Goods, but today's outfit, cool. Happy Monday. Today's outfit, it's very similar to yesterday's outfit, but slightly different. But today I'm wearing this blue top thing. I think I got this to like iron on a bunch of patches onto this, but then I never did that because I'm lazy. And then I'm wearing another pair of these Nike shorts because I like these. And then finally I'm wearing these socks that are very fuzzy and they're like kind of slipper socks. They're just very comfortable. So today's outfit, done and done. Happy Tuesday. I start my first online class today, but whatever. But that's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about clothing. So today's outfit, I just have these running socks. Then I have these sweatpants from Pink, which I literally got in like 6th grade. They kind of have a bunch of holes in the pockets, but that's okay. And then I have this shirt from Brandy Melville, and then I also put on some necklaces too. You know, I just wanted to look a little bit more presentable on the top if I have to do an online Zoom meeting, so happy Wednesday. Today is the last day of this video, so let's make it special. Just kidding. I really did not make it special at all. Sorry about that. But today's outfit, we just have this really oversized hoodie from Brandy Melville. It's actually not terribly oversized on me. I like things fitting this big. Then I have these marble leggings from Athleta. I got these for like 70% off at one point, so these are really fun. They have like mesh here, which is cool. Then I'm just wearing these Skechers socks again. Don't worry, it's a different pair from yesterday. yesterday, but I have multiple pairs that are the same. Today's outfit, here it is. And that was it. I wanted to keep the video pretty short just because personally I don't like watching these outfit videos that are like 10 years long. Maybe not 10 years, like 20 minutes long. So I just wanted to give you the information you wanted to hear and keep it short and simple. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys probably like tomorrow, honestly. Bye.